call is very important to us and may be monitored or recorded. Thank you for calling Kraft. This is Erica speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger. How are you?
Good.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions.
Okay.
What is your political crime?
I'm sorry?
Who are you?
I'm Erica.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Sir?
My candidacy is all about big change in Sacramento.
Okay. This is the Kraft Consumer Center. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yes.
And what would that be?
And the people have a right to know what that means for them.
What means for them?
What I meant was, it's time for them to pay their fair share.
Okay. Well, sir, do you have anything that has to related with Kraft?
Yes.
And what would that be?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Okay, if we can keep this on a professional basis, I'm going to have to disconnect the call.
Stop being such a pussy!
Well, sir, is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Special interests have a stranglehold on Sacramento.
Okay, well, thank you so much for calling Kraft, sir, and you have a great day.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!